2025 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 18,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.